Here's another tip for getting patients to your clinic. This one is all about linking. So what that means is it's getting other websites to link to you. So don't get confused. It's not about you linking from your website to other websites. It's about having other websites actually linking to you. So here's an example. So this is my YouTube channel here. And you can see that on my YouTube channel, there is a link there to my website. So when people click on that, that goes through to my site here. Okay, same with LinkedIn as well. I've got a LinkedIn company profile, and when people click on visit website, again, that opens my healthcare SEO website right here. So these are links, and they go from one website to my website. And the more links that you have, the more that Google sees you as an authority. But some links are actually worth more than others. So, for example, a link from Top Doctors or Doctify is worth more than a link from, say, Yale or Facebook or something like that. And in the same way, a link from the NHS website or from WebMD would be worth a lot more than a link from Top Doctors or Doctify. Now, the question is then, okay, how do we know where to get links from? And I almost didn't share this because I've never seen anybody talk about this before, and it's quite a sneaky one. But what you can do is actually search for your main keyword. So this is the thing that you want people to type in when they're looking for you. So for example, knee specialist London. We've got the results up here, and we've got some directories there. They're good places to get links from. And then we've got the local maps listed out here. And then you can see we've got London Orthopaedic Clinic listed right at the top. Now, what we can actually do is click on the 3-dot kebab menu, I call it. So you can click on that, and then that will show you information from Google about why they've ranked this website so highly. And it shows as well the links that are pointing to this website, which gives us an indication of this is why this website is ranking so well. They've got links from Doctify, Trustpilot, GoPrivate, the London Clinic, and Bupa as well. So straight away, that's 5 websites that you can get links from. So straight away, that's 5 opportunities for links right there. So straight away, you can start seeing that this is a really, really quick, easy, and not to mention free way of finding out where your competitors are getting links from and getting links from those places for yourself. So that's it for now. I hope this tip helped you. If it did, then please leave me a like or a thumbs up or any of those things. And you can subscribe to my YouTube channel on my LinkedIn to stay up to date on other SEO healthcare tips. That's it for now. I'll speak to you soon and take care. Bye.